Peace to everybody. As you can see here, there are 3 Chicago police officers that were on trial for the cover-up of Jason Van Dyke, and of course they helped him cover up a murder of Laquan McDonald. And of course, I've been keeping an eye on this trial very closely. So now the judge to give verdict in Chicago police cover-up trial in January. A judge says she'll issue her verdict next month in the bench trial of 3 Chicago police officers accused of lying about the 2014 fatal shooting of black teenager Laquan McDonald to protect another officer who pulled the trigger. So these 3 officers, they were protecting him. And Jason Van Dyke, he shot Laquan McDonald 16 times. But now that they helped him cover up this murder, there's no way they're going to go anywhere. Cook County Judge Domicia Stevenson said Wednesday that she'll issue her verdict on January 15th, which is 3 days before another judge is due to sentence Jason Van Dyke, the officer who shot McDonald 16 times and was convicted of second-degree murder and aggravated battery. So he has been convicted already, and the judge is going to wait till January 15th, so I guess it's going to be after the holidays now, which is no choice. When that's fine with me, I can wait that long. And so the 3 officers, they're definitely in a lot of trouble for all this cover-up. Former Officer Joseph Walsh, Officer Thomas Gaffney, and former Detective David March are charged with obstruction of justice, conspiracy, and official misconduct. Prosecutors say they lied to shield Van Dyke from prosecution. Their attorneys say there's no evidence of a cover-up. Well, first of all, the attorneys lie because, what Jason Van Dyke did and what them 3 officers did, they're all in trouble. So now, when those 3 officers will be sentenced January 15th, the other officer, Jason Van Dyke, he'll be sentenced 3 days after that. So this is what's happening right now, and obviously I didn't think the verdict was going to be postponed until that time, but it'll give people a chance. But Jason Van Dyke is staying in prison until his execution day to be sentenced by another judge that will sentence him. And the attorneys, they say there's no evidence of a cover-up. Of course there was, because the officers lied on their police report, saying, oh, well, a bunch of stuff that was not true. They saying that Laquan McDonald was endangering Jason Van Dyke, and that was a lie, because I saw the video that he was walking away from Jason Van Dyke towards a fence. And that video, it's still around, but, with people lying, or with these officers lying, they're not getting away with it anymore because, time has come for these officers to take responsible for their actions. And Jason Van Dyke has to take responsible for the murder that he did to Laquan McDonald. So he has no choice. So as long as he's in prison, it's time for the officers that helped him to go to prison too. I'm out.